really looking forward to this evening?
You know, it's been many years now that we've all come together since the pandemic. So it feels lovely to be celebrating and being a part of cinema and celebrating good cinema, you know? That's
And as a host, what advice would you like to give me and the aspiring hosts?
oh my God.
How
Just
do you put
have
all
fun.
together?
Have fun. And don't get overwhelmed with what's happening. Just go with the flow, be silly, and just have fun.
And one last question. I think I'm being a little greedy by asking you this.
No, don't.
So, as can you share like one experience of yours as a anchor or a host that has left a huge impression in your mind?
Wow.
It could be from your school days, college days, or hosting
No,
any of the events.
I think when I do my talk shows, how people open up and the beauty of seeing inside a celebrity's life. And I feel very lucky they feel safe to share things with me that they usually don't share otherwise. So that always leaves a lasting impression to hold that space, you know?
And last 2 years has been quite difficult and quite different for a lot of us. We've got a lot of time to introspect and look deep into ourselves. What has changed for you in the last 2 years?
Absolutely, the one thing that is life is so temporary, and I always wanted to live in the moment. And I think the pandemic really taught me what it is to live in the moment, because it wasn't like, what am I going to do tomorrow? There was nothing to do, right? And to really enjoy this body and celebrate this life, because you never know.
Grateful for
Very, very. So, moment to moment of gratitude.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely to host you. I'm nervous. Oh God. Thank you
You're doing
so much.
fantastic.
See you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Harishankar with us. Welcome to Saima, sir.
Thank you so much.
So, Saima has hit the 10-year milestone. How excited or how proud are you about it now that you're associated with Saima and Saima has turned into such a huge brand?
I'm excited in a way, even though I don't have any nominations, I'm here to celebrate Saima only. I'm here to celebrate Saima and cinema. I'm a huge fan of Vishnu. Vishnu comes up with a unique thought always, and it's been already 10 years, like he's coming up with such a wonderful thought to take the entire South Indian cinema on one stage. So very glad. Congratulations, Vishnu and entire team Saima.
Okay, so what is would you like to share some good news with our viewers for the coming years? You have something planned that we can look forward to?
Yeah, the good news is me and Vishnu are coming up to make a film very soon.
Do you want to give some details about it that you would like to share? Only what you like to share.
As of now, this much is enough.
That's all. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.